good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 28th of December. The euro edged lower during the Asian session and Asian equities dropped, with many market players being away. Focus remains on an Italian bond auction today and tomorrow, and the auctions will be closely watched as Italian yields are still struggling at around the 7% level. Versus the greenback, the single currency edged as low as 130.56 today after it traded in a tight range at around 130.65 yesterday. The US dollar was trading in a tight range in thin post-Christmas trading. The home price index and Fed manufacturing index data came in lower than expected, disappointing investors who were looking for positive signs from the US economy. The consumer confidence rebounded to 64.5, while 56 was expected. Versus the Japanese yen, the greenback fell to 77.75 today from 78.02 after the US Treasury Department criticised Japan for intervening in the currency markets to stop the yen from rising. In a report to the US Congress, the US Treasury said that rather than intervening to influence the exchange rate, Japan should take steps to help the economy and support the competitiveness of Japanese firms. The British pound jumped to 157.02 versus the greenback as the markets resulted in sharp moves, but the pound's advance was limited. Today, the pair is trading at 156.68. Now looking at commodities, we saw oil prices surge above $100 a barrel, rising as high as $101.72 from $99.27 on concerns about possible supply disruptions due to rising Middle East tensions. Gold dipped to $1,586.15 an ounce from $1,604.11, and silver edged lower to $28.58 an ounce from $29.15. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 131 with a preference to enter into short positions at 131. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.20. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156.10. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.25. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 100.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.20. The gold pivot point is at 1600 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1600. And the silver pivot point is at 29.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 29.15. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market mover today is the Swiss KOF leading indicator in December, forecast to fall to 0.23. Now on to equities. In Europe, they were positive with the FTSE up 1.02%, the DAX was up 0.18% and the CAC was up 0.03%. In the US, they were mixed with the SP 500 up 0.01% and the Dow was down 0.02%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.46% and the Hang Seng was up 1.37%. It's been your daily outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.